A deactivated Swagbucks account usually cannot be restored by creating a new account, and doing that can make the situation worse, because Swagbucks allows only one account per person, unless it specifically approves another one. By the end of this video you'll know why accounts get deactivated, what you should do immediately, and the steps that give you the best chance of getting your account reviewed. The first thing to do is stay signed out and avoid creating another account. If your account was disabled automatically, opening a second one can trigger additional account flags. Instead, try signing in through the Swagbucks website. If you see a message saying your account has been deactivated, use the Help Center or contact form to submit an appeal. Your appeal should include your registered email address, your full name, and a clear explanation that you're requesting a review. If you recently completed a high-value offer, changed devices, traveled, or updated your account information, mention that as well. Those details help support understand what happened before the account was disabled. Next, think about what may have triggered the deactivation. Swagbucks may deactivate accounts for suspected policy violations, unusual login activity, duplicate accounts, VPN or proxy usage, inaccurate profile information, or offer abuse detected by automated systems. A deactivation does not always mean intentional wrongdoing, but you still need to show that your account was being used legitimately. If support requests identity verification, respond through the official support process. Send only the documents requested and avoid submitting multiple tickets for the same issue. Opening repeated tickets can slow the review because your requests may be merged or moved to the back of the queue. While you're waiting, don't try to bypass the restriction by using another email address, another phone, or another device to create a replacement account. If your original account is restored later, having multiple accounts on record can create additional problems. If your appeal is denied, read the explanation carefully. Some decisions are final, while others allow you to provide additional information or clarify missing details. Keep every response polite, concise, and focused on facts instead of frustration. The key points are simple. Don't create a second account after a deactivation. Submit one complete appeal with accurate information. Cooperate with any identity verification request if support asks for it. Your next step is to gather your account details and send a clear support request if you haven't already. If this video helped you understand the process, consider liking the video and subscribing for more straightforward app fixes and earning platform guides.